Hey guys, I know that everyone loves TikToks, but not everyone knows how to make TikToks. And today we're gonna teach you how.
What you call an icon living? Start a record label, Misfits just did it.
Nylon cover 5 minutes. Whoa, we are too.
So that was a pretty basic tutorial, but if you really wanna know the nitty and gritty, watch this. Hi, welcome to Launcharts Media's TikTok tutorial. My name's Anshika, and I'm gonna be navigating you through the basics of TikTok. So once you've downloaded the app, this screen sign up for TikTok should pop up, but if it doesn't, there is a profile icon on the bottom right corner which you can select. You can click anything to sign up with. I'll use my phone and email. First you have to enter in your birthday, and then you can go ahead and put a phone number in or email, and then it'll ask you for verification, and then you simply can create a password, and that you should be all set. Once you've made an account, you'll be able to freely post your videos and, like look through your For You page and your following page. The easiest way to post is in the bottom middle right there, the post button. You can go ahead and select that. A couple different settings that you can play with. As you can tell on the bottom that we are in quick mode, meaning you can just take one quick video and you're done. You can add videos, but you most probably want to go to camera to film and however many segments you want. So if you want to add sound on your video, you can also not and just have your own voice in it. You can add a sound. The most trending, you're gonna be in like your recommended page, and you're probably gonna select one from there. You can also favorite sounds and go back to them later to use them. So once you've found a sound that you like, you can select it. You can trim it to whatever fits the best for your video. So there's a lot of settings that you can play around with. On the top, you can flip your camera. You can adjust the speed, which is the thing in the middle right there, where you can go from slow to fast. Enhanced basically means it's a beauty filter. You can add some actual filters to your photos and adjust however much you want it. You can add a timer for more of like hands-free experience, and you can select like however long you want it to film, and of course add flash. And then library would be choosing something possibly from your drafts or your camera and replying to comments from here. So you can either film 15 seconds, 60 seconds, 3 minutes. You most probably want something nice and easy and fast, so you want to go to 15 seconds, but it's all based off of your video. You can go through effects and add some fun little effects to your videos, and uploading basically means you can use a picture or video, and you can just record in segments, and anything you don't like you can just go ahead, delete, and re-record. Once you're satisfied with your video, you can go ahead and click the red check mark. So now you can add more features. You can add text to your video. You can adjust for how long, if you want, your text to speech feature, set duration for however long you want the video, when you want the text to show up, and you can of course go back and edit it. You can add stickers to your videos with the same settings. This is for like duration and whatnot. You can add some post video effects, which are these little, whichever ones that you want to add. And you can also select one in the video you want them. Another thing that's available are adjust clips, where you can go back and edit specific clips. You can refilm them or just, crop them, adjust them however you like. And then your next screen, you can go ahead and add a caption to your video, add, trending hashtags. It's gonna show you, like how many people have used it before and how many views they get. You can go ahead and tag anyone that you've put into your video, and you can, select a cover for your photo. And also by clicking on the video here, you can preview what it looks like. You can add a link to your video. You can again adjust the privacy settings for who can view your video. And finally, you can either save your video to drafts, where you'll be able to access it later, edit it later, and add more and post another time, or just post now, and your video will be able to be watched by millions. So that's it. Make sure to follow these steps, and sooner or later you'll be making your own TikTok. It really is that simple. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.